Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nowadays we are reading our lessons from our textbook. So open your textbook and your registers too. Also have your marker and pen with you because today we are going to write something also. The unit under this discussion was unit number 6, the Qais Vision and Pakistan. As you know, we have completed our text of this lesson with Urdu translation. So next thing that we are going to do today is that we will do box questions and comprehension questions of this lesson. So be ready for it. Put your books and registers. Let's start writing the questions. First we will write box questions. Our box question number 1 is, why did the Qaid have to take long tours during the early days of independence? As we have read it in our text that the answer should be, the Qaid made long tours to raise the spirit of his people. Qaid-e-Azam ने अपने लोगों का जज्बा उभारने के लिए मुल्क गिर दौरा किया. This question and its answer with your marker and pen in good handwriting. See, what is our second question? Second question is, why did the Qaid want the oneness of whole nation? The answer is, Qaid wanted the oneness of whole nation to make it united and strong. Qaid-e-Azam अपनी कौम को मजबूत और मुत्तहिद बनाने के लिए कौम की वहदत चाहते थे. Our third question is, are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? Answer is, no, we are not working according to the expectations of our great leader. हम अपने अजीम रहनुमा की तवक्कुआत के मुताबिक काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. The fourth and last box question is, what is the result of neglecting the advice of Qaid? Answer is, the result of neglecting the advice of Qaid is that we are disunited today. कायद-ए-आज़म की नसीहत को नज़रअंदाज करने का नतीजा ये है कि आज हम मुत्तहिद नहीं हैं. After completing our box questions, let's start reading comprehension questions. Answer the following questions. Our first question is, how much confidence did Qaid-e-Azam have in his nation? Answer is, Qaid had great confidence in his nation. Qaid-e-Azam को अपनी कौम पर बहुत यकीन था, बहुत confidence था. As we have read in our lesson that Qaid said, you are made up of sterling material, and second, he has used all these words to show his confidence in his nation. Now see the second question. What was the Qaid's concept of our nation? Answer is, Qaid said that they were a different nation with their own distinctive outlook on life. Qaid ने फरमाया कि वो एक अलग कौम थे जिनका अपना एक इम्तियाजी ज़िंदगी के हवाले से नुक्ता नज़र है. Our third comprehension question is, what was the ideology of Pakistan in the view of Qaid-e-Azam? Answer is, the ideology of Pakistan in the view of Qaid-e-Azam was that the Muslims were a different nation and could not live with any other nation. Our previous question was, what was the concept of Qaid, and this is ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid. So you are not going to mix them up, they are entirely different questions. Now see the fourth question. What can be the possible solution to our present problems? Answer is, to work as a united nation is the possible solution to our present problems. मुत्तहिद कौम की तरह काम करना ही हमारी मौजूदा मुश्किलात का हल है. Now see last question, question number 5. How can we become a strong nation? Answer is, according to our Qaid, we can become a strong nation by working hard. हमारी कायद के मुताबिक हम एक मजबूत कौम सख्त मेहनत करके ही बन सकते हैं. So student, this was our today's lecture. You have to write it all the questions in your registers in good handwriting. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourselves.